With this machine here, so this is a focused shockwave device. This is very different to a radial machine. So this will bring up your most commonly used protocols. So we've got on the list here plantar fasciitis, calcific tendinitis, epicondylitis, the list goes on. So we're going to load that. What you'll see here is we've got the energy, which is in millijoules per millimetre squared. We've got the shocks, and we've got the frequency, which is hertz. Now, and this screen will flash. As soon as you touch the screen, it will set and engage the machine. It's at this point that you can select your depth. You have three options. So using no standoff, using standoff 1, and using standoff 2. So we'll place 2 or 3 drops of the silicone oil on top. Place the standoff you prefer inside the locking ring and lock on. You're now ready to treat. With the Intellect Focus Shockwave, we have an intensity available of up to 0.55 millijoules per millimetre squared and with a frequency of 8 Hz. Focus Shockwave can be used as a standalone treatment or in combination with radial pressure wave.